without further ado, I want to get into this. Really nice carbon fiber. Trying to be as careful as possible. Little bag of goodies included. The favorite part of all unboxing, some stickers. There's also a healthy amount of 3M tape, double-sided tape for mounting this bad boy. I assume some hardware, yeah. So this is just a small sample of the stuff available from ADRO. They do all sorts of really cool carbon fiber stuff.
Hey guys, this is the Tesla Model Y Premium Pre-Pregged Carbon Fiber Front Lip by ADRO install. This lip kit comes with everything you need for a quick and easy install. VHB double-sided tape, surface primer, 6 screws, and a card with a QR code to scan and load up an easy-to-follow installation manual. First off, if you have an aftermarket front license plate holder, you may have to remove that because it may not fit with the ADRO lip installed. Next, you're going to want to dry fit the lip first. Make sure everything fits well. The quality of the lip is incredible, so the fitment was great. Moving on to preparing the lip, ADRO provided it with the double-sided tape already attached onto the designated areas, so that was pretty convenient. Next, I turned the lip over and carefully drill 3 holes in the designated installation points for the screws underneath the car. This step wasn't necessary, but I felt it would make the install easier because I didn't have the car up on the jack. Now you're going to want to clean the area on the front bumper where the lip is going to be installed. Grab one of the packets of the surface primer and prime the area of the bumper. I used some blue painter's tape in some areas as a guide to avoid priming unnecessary areas. Next, peel back some of the red backing material from the double-sided tape and secure it somewhere on the front lip so it's easy to access to peel back later. Now gently position the front lip onto the bumper and carefully That wasn't supposed to happen. But no worries, you can grab it from the other end still and gently remove that backing. Continue to pull the backing off from all the other areas of the lip. And when you're confident with the positioning, press along the taped areas to ensure a proper adhesion. Take a look all around and make sure the fitment is perfect. The last step is to secure the lip with the provided screws underneath the car. 3 screws on each side. Be careful not to over-tighten. As a bonus, I installed ADRO's carbon fiber camera cover. Super easy and quick install, dry fit the covers on the side cameras on the fenders. With the provided primers and double-sided tape, prep the covers similar to how we prepped the front lip. Prime the contact areas on the back of the covers, add the double-sided tape, clean and prime the contact areas on the fender around the camera, peel back a little bit of the red backing from the double-sided tape, lightly position the cover around the camera while holding the cover steady, carefully peel off the red backing from the tape. Press firmly around the camera cover to ensure a tight hold. And that's it. That was quick and easy. Note that this camera cover is only for 2020 to 2023 Model Ys with hardware 3 cameras. All that's left is to admire the beautiful carbon fiber and take the car out for a spin. Because, well, rolling shots. I know what you're thinking. This thing needs to be slammed. Maybe just a little. That looks pretty good. And also the ADRO side skirt would be nice. But that's gonna have to be a future install. For more info on ADRO's carbon fiber kits and other products, visit ADRO.com.